All right, ready to do it?
It's our wedding day.
We're doing it. Ready?
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
There was a sparkle in your eye that I hadn't seen for a long time when he talked about you.
You and Danielle have the opportunity to live a wonderful life together, so get out there and live it to the fullest.
Adam, you are everything I could have hoped or prayed for my sister.
There are no accidents in this world. There's a plan for all of us.
You are such a warrior for God right now. I'm so proud of you.
I really feel like God brought us together, and it was just so beautiful.
I'm so excited for today. I've been looking forward to this moment for a long time.
Yeah, I'm ready to get married. Let's get married.
Mr. and Mrs. Watanabe!
Adam and Danielle's journey has been traveled in such a way that it's come to this point.
Adam was a single man, had been single for a little while. But he had begun a journey of really drawing near to his God.
Not too late.
In the silence, it's too much to bear. When it seems you disappear.
Meanwhile, on the other side of the world sometimes, Danny had gone through an amazing journey of her own.
So I was supposed to be moving to Portugal, and my visa didn't go through. I thought, like, I'd spent all this time and money on applying for this visa, and then it didn't happen. And I was like, what is happening? I'd prayed a lot about it, and I thought I was meant to move there. Okay, well, I have no plan now. I'm here in this tiny little town of Woodland.
I was feeling like I wanted something different in my life, felt kind of a calling elsewhere, and ended up quitting my job back in 2023, just over a year ago.
Meanwhile, Adam gets an email from a coworker, from one that he hadn't worked with in a little while, but they were good friends, Felipa. Are you seeing anyone right now? Which is an interesting response to, like, hey, I'm leaving the company.
And she's like, okay, well, you should totally meet my cousin Danielle. Shortly after, I ended up just messaging her Instagram, slid into her DMs.
When you first meet Danielle, she's pretty good at pretending she's normal. And then 20 minutes later, she will reveal her true weirdo self.
I remember being like, so what's weird about you? Like, you're so nice, you know, you seem too polished and put together.
When I learned that seemingly cool on the outside Adam played Magic the Gathering competitively and liked Lord of the Rings, that pretty much convinced me I think he might actually be the one.
You like it?
Mm-hmm. So pretty. I love you.
Adam Christopher Musashi Watanabe, you are the most incredible human I have ever known. You're a man of great character and of intricate thoughtfulness. I always said that I wanted to marry a man as kind as my dad, but I honestly didn't think that existed. And then I met you.
You go have a great life, many adventures. You've promised to cherish you and always take care of you. I know you will, baby. You picked a good one.
Danielle, you are the most beautiful and wonderful person I've ever met. You have the most joy-filled spirit, and you light up every person and situation you're a part of, especially my life. I would have been thrilled to have met and married someone with even a fraction of your amazing qualities. Lucky for me, I get all of you, and there's no compromise.
I feel your fire burn again.
Just having someone play my dad's classical guitar. My dad passed away in 2004, and he would have been so proud of me for finding someone so special in her.
All you ever did was love. All you did was give yourself to make a place for me.
They are with us today in so many ways. They are, in fact, a part of your sparkle.
So take my hand, take my whole life too. For I can tell, falling in love with.
As a father, you want your beautiful daughter's husband to be very kind and loving, and you want him to be Christ-centered. And Maylin and I are confident that you are that man, and we are ecstatic to have you in our family.
What if the love outweighed the sea? What if it wasn't make-believe?
When we first met, I prayed every day for God's will for us. Every day on my knees, God would whisper to just keep moving forward and filled me with a really, really deep peace. And it's in this immeasurably beautiful peace that I've never been more sure of God's will for my life than I am of you.
Today is the day that I love you the least, as I know that my love for you will only continue to grow over the days, months, and years that we're together. You're my magical unicorn, my soulmate babe, and my inexpressible treasure.
Giving control to God meant giving up what I thought was best and seeing what His best is. And what His best is for me is you. You're God's best for me, Adam.
Adam, you may kiss your bride.